primarily we're an educational organization. So what we want is to have everyone from all ages, from primary school up to whatever age they are, to learn about computers, how they evolved, how we use them, how to preserve them, because we also want them to understand the importance of them. And of course we want to teach students to appreciate important figures and how they got there. And of course we want to teach programming as well. We want to create the next generation of developers. I think we've got the most complete collection, working machines from 1972, the first video game console, up to the latest generation of consoles we have right now. So this is a complete walk into history from 1972 until today. So if you're into computers, if you're into video games, this is the best place to be.